I will show you how to assemble your brand new DAXYS Wolf. For an easier unboxing experience, you might want to gently lay the box down and remove the stables on the sides. In the packaging, you will find two boxes. The white one, which contains the charger, and the brown one, which contains the multi-tool and parts required for assembly. Once the bike is out, lift and separate the front wheel, seat and handlebars by cutting the cable ties. Then remove the protective foam and packaging cardboard. Be careful not to damage anything in the process. Next, loosen the stem bolts and rotate it 180 degrees. Before tightening the bolts, make sure it's in a perfect T-shape. Tighten the bolts, then proceed to remove the 4 stem cover bolts. Place the handlebar in the stem slot and screw the bolts back in to roughly 90%. Adjust the handlebar to the desired position and finish tightening the bolts. Next, install the front light and mudguard as shown. Use an Allen key to tighten the front facing bolt, then the number 10 socket screw for the screw in the back. Add the seat as described and tighten using the quick release screw. Loosen the display bolt and place it in a horizontal position to protect it before flipping your amazing e-bike upside down. Attach the rest of the front mudguard to the slots on the suspension tube. Remove the fork protector and place the wheel in its slot. Fix it into place with the pin. Tighten with the screw and secure with the quick release. Give the wheel a quick spin and listen to the sound it makes. If you hear rubbing sounds, adjust the brake pad as shown. Flip the bike and install the pedals, using the arrows as guides for mounting. Use a 15mm wrench to tighten as much as possible. Return the electric display to the desired position and install any of the provided accessories: bell, front reflector, wheel reflectors, etc. Adjust the seat so it matches your hip height. If necessary, charge your DAXYS Wolf, then you're ready to ride. Have fun, take care, and enjoy your new Wolf e-bike.